Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add effect in CapCut apps. So it's basic tutorial, and I think this is especially for those of you who are using CapCut apps for the first time. Alright, after you open the CapCut app, you can tap on your project to create a project and select your videos or just photos that you want to edit. And I'm going to select my projects. I already have a project, so um, yeah, there is a video here. And to add effect, you can see for the effect button, just click on it to add the effect. So there are three options: video effects, body effects, and photo effects. So you can select this one that you need it. For example, I'm going to add a video effect. Just click on the video effect and select a pack that you like. For example, you can add a shag effect. Click on it again to adjust for the option, and click check mark, and here we go. That's effect. You can add more effect. Just click video effect again and select another effect. Click check mark. Alright. You can adjust for the position and duration. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.